good evening to all the students. So today I'm going to tell you the important questions based on C++ for BCS Semester 2 Panjab University according to the Panjab University syllabus, Chandigarh. Here comes the short questions that can come for 2 or 3 marks. Define object-oriented programming, OOP, then class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, typecasting, dynamic binding. And another questions are tokens, define keywords, define identifiers, enum keyword, reference variables, scope resolution operator, manipulators, and expression. Next, there can be questions that is difference between class and object, which can come for 3 or 4 marks. Object-oriented language versus procedure-oriented language. This question is similar to difference between C and C++. Public and private member functions, variable and a constant, new and delete operator, which are also known as memory management operators. Call by value and call by reference we have already done in C language also. So this can again come and you can write program also. Then difference between early binding and late binding. In long questions which can come for 9 marks, what is object-oriented programming? Explain its applications in detail. What are the various features of C++? Then input-output operators in C++ means cout and cin. And explain data types of C++ in details. And what are the various operators in C++? Explain operator precedence in detail. Then what is the control structure of C++? In control structure, you need to write decision-making statements. That is all the if statements. Then looping statements also. And दूसरी वे में कैसे आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि व्हाट आर द वेरियस लूपिंग स्टेटमेंट्स इन C++ और व्हाट आर द वेरियस डिसीजन मेकिंग स्टेटमेंट्स इन C++. तो ये क्वेश्चन वैसे भी आपको आ सकता है. अगर लूपिंग स्टेटमेंट इन C++ आता है देन यू डू नीड टू राइट डू वाइल स्टेटमेंट, वाइल स्टेटमेंट एंड द फॉर लूप स्टेटमेंट. और डिसीजन मेकिंग आता है तो इफ, सिंपल इफ, नेस्टेड इफ एंड एल्स. In long questions further we can have what is inline function and explain that with the help of our program. How to create a class and object, how one can access the class members, and as you know there are two different ways to define member functions of class. One is inside and the another one is the outside. तो ये भी अपने program के help से लिखना है. What is a friend function and write a program for that. What is static member, again write a program for that. What is function overloading? As you know in polymorphism we are having function overloading and operator overloading. तो दोनों questions को आप prepare कर लो with the help of a program. Then array within a class, it can come. Array of objects in detail, it can come. Pointers to object. Then what is a constructor? Explain its different types. Constructor में आपने default, parameterized और copy constructor के 3 programs आपने तैयार करने हैं. Then what is the destructor? और उसका भी आपने एक program लिखना है. Then what is operator overloading? और उसका जो है आपको भी कन्वर्जन आप बता सकते हो जो बेसिक टाइप से यूजर डिफाइंड टाइप है. व्हाट इज इनहेरिटेंस? एक्सप्लेन इट्स टाइप. इनहेरिटेंस में आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स है, सिंगल, मल्टीपल, मल्टी लेवल, हायरार्किकल. तो आप ये सारी इनहेरिटेंस आप अलग से भी सबका एक एक प्रोग्राम आप जो है यहाँ पे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. देन फर्दर एक्सप्लेन नेस्टिंग ऑफ क्लासेस इन डिटेल विद अ प्रोग्राम. एंड व्हाट इज अ वर्चुअल फंक्शन एंड अ प्योर वर्चुअल फंक्शन. इनका डिफरेंस आपको पता होना चाहिए. Then what is exception handling or why it is required? Then you need to prepare a program for that also. Then what is a file? How to open and close a file in C++. Then binary file operation in detail. You can do render file processing का prepare कर सकते हैं. Visibility modes आप जो public, private और protected है उसको अलग से explain करना है आपने. And what is a base and derived class inheritance से related है, this you need to prepare. So you can go through all these questions and you can prepare it very well. All the best, students.